Hello, my name is Daniel Durso, and in this video I'll be demonstrating the progress I've made so far on the utility web application project, covering milestones from phase 1.1 through 1.3. This will include project planning, setup, and the full implementation of a secure user authentication system. After the initial documentation phase, I then set up a GitHub repository for version control, which you can see here. I also at this time made two commits, the initial one to establish the project structure and another after completing the user registration and login. In the setup phase, I installed Flask and SQLite and updated my system to Python version 3.13.3. I was initially having issues having compatibility with the Flask libraries, and this fixed that. So after troubleshooting it for a while and confirming everything was running correctly, I created the basic file structure, setting up folders, templates, static files, and main application logic, which you can see here in the PyCharm window. Then I moved on to user authentication, and I started by designing HTML templates for user registration, login, homepage, and the user dashboard. I then built Flask routes to handle each function, including secure user registration, login, and logout. And here's a quick look at the registration HTML. And then the routing logic for register. Next, I created the SQLite database called site.db using SQL Alchemy and define the user model with fields for email and password. You can see right here. The passwords are hashed securely using workzug, and I've implemented input validation and error messaging for correct login attempts or duplicate registration, which I'll go on and show you now. Here's the home page for the utility web application with the login and register page. You click on the login page, you also have a route if you don't have an account that will reroute you to the register page, and then vice versa. And first, I'm going to show you an attempt at an incorrect login. And this is going to give us the invalid email or password. And here is the correct login. You see here, properly logged in. When you click to log out, it says you have properly been logged out as well. The user sessions are now handled with Flask login. I've tested this functionality by registering new users, confirming the records in the database, and logging in and out successfully. And now I'll show you quickly a quick register of a new account. We're just going to make this PSU3. There's our successful account registration. Now we're going to go back, check that in our database. Where we can see our newest registered user. That wraps up my progress from phases 1.1 to 1.3. And in the next phase, I'll begin designing the unit converter module, including features such as CRUD functionality, storing conversion history, and testing for accuracy. Thank you for watching, and look forward to showing you the next stage of the development.